Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to insert nano SIM cards on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to take this pin which comes with this device, and here is it how it looks. And then take your phone and find this SIM slot which is located on the upper part of your phone. As a next step, take the pin and slowly put it into this hole that you can see on this slot. Then lightly push on it until the SIM slot will cut out. Here's it how it looks, and now push it out with the help of your nails. So here's it how the SIM slot looks. If we will take a look on both of these sides, we can see where is supposed to be the first SIM card and the second one. So also you can notice on each of these sides this drawing which is showing with the help of which side we can insert it right. So as you can see on this drawing, we got the cutted corner on this side. So we would need to put it there the same way and then slowly push on it until you will hear a click. And then make sure that it's fixed properly and not falling out. Now let's move on to the second side. As you can see here, the position of SIM card is a little bit different, and now the cutted side is here. So we would need to take our SIM card and put it there like on the drawing, and also make sure it will click and it's fixed properly and not falling out. Here's it how it looks. And now let's put it back. We would need to take our phone and find this little hole position and fit it with the same hole on this SIM slot, just like this, and then push it in. Now, as a next step, we would need to enter PIN codes from both of the SIM cards. And this is it. Now you have successfully inserted both of the SIM cards. The next thing that you are going to see, that's this menu which is suggesting us to set up our SIM cards. As you can see, I got here SIM 1, SIM 2, and we would need to click next. Here we would need to choose which of the SIM cards we are preferring for the calls, for the messages, and preferred SIM for mobile data. I will choose the second one and click done. And this is it. Now I have successfully inserted and set up both of the SIM cards. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.